Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I wanted to do a video for any of you guys that are looking at just replacing like the doorknobs in your house. And say you just want to switch over to something that's nicer and more attractive, more appealing than this ugly chrome. I'm going to show you guys how to swap out the doorknob as well as replace all the hinges. So I've already got this knob done, all these hinges done. We're going to swap my son's knob out. So to take the door handle off is actually very simple, guys. All you need is either a handheld screwdriver or a drill. And it's just 2 screws. It takes less than a minute. Literally as simple as that. Both sides of the knob will come off. So just like that, less than a minute, you've got your entire doorknob off and you're ready to install the new one. Go ahead and put this one back in with the new black design. Reattach our screws. Our doorknob on. Go ahead and reattach our mounting hardware and secure them down. So there we go, all installed. Super simple. Some of the other doorknobs that I've bought before in the past have like a little lip that you can click on or push in, and then this would pop off. This doesn't come off, but you could easily get them in. It looks so much better. I'm going to go ahead and swap this out with the black one here. Just a couple screws again, guys. Super simple, anybody could do this. So I hope if you guys were considering doing this type of work at your place yourself, that this video at least shows you kind of what's going on. If anything inspires you to think, hey, you know, I can do these DIY home projects myself, and if I could do it, you guys can do it. I'm just an everyday guy who likes working on stuff around my house, doing it myself to save money. So if this resonates with you guys, hit the thumbs up on the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. So there we go, guys, less than 5 minutes. We've got the doorknob completely switched out. Everything works good, fits good, looks nice, so much better than the chrome. So the ugly chrome, but you guys let me know which one you like. Do you like the matte black, or are you a fan of the chrome? And the thing that we're having issues with too, with the chrome, is our German Shepherd. She's pretty smart. She'll come up and she can use her paw and she'll actually open the door and get into the doors. And I'll show you where she got herself into trouble. So we were having issues with her when we had those lever style handles over here. She was breaking into the pantry when we were at work. She scratched the door a lot getting in, trying to figure out how the doorknob works. And she was raiding the pantry, and we'd come home and she'd eaten a whole bag of, you know, potato chips or hot dog buns or whatever she's not supposed to eat. So that's kind of one plus for animals that keeps them from getting into the room. But let's go ahead. I'm going to show you guys how to switch out the door hinges, and that'll wrap up today's video. All the bathrooms, ugly chrome, like early 2000s, late 90s, just stuff that nobody would really, I don't think anybody would really select for, you know, today's style and design. I also don't like the fact that the hinges they used in the door frames themselves, they're satin nickel versus chrome, so those don't even match to begin with. And then look how they do their finishing work on like the doors. You can see how there's like paint overspray on the hinges. Obviously the doors were installed with the hinges before they were painted, and they just taped over really poorly and then sprayed everything. So not very happy. And if you look how they do like their woodwork, it's very shoddy. This is the 4th house that we've owned, 3rd brand new home that we've ever had. This is the worst finishing work I've ever seen. Look how they finished off the doors. It's just really sad. You can tell that they put the house together really quickly. And I'm not using anything really expensive. These are Defiant. They're the Hartford series. They're the matte black for bed and bath. And they were like $17 a knob, so pretty inexpensive. So the thing that also bothered me too, the house that we bought, these hinges are satin nickel. And the handles for the doorknob were chrome. So like those little details, they didn't match. It just personally kind of drove me nuts. But we're gonna go ahead. You don't have to dismount the door or anything to do this. We're just gonna switch out, there's 4 hinges, so we'll do one of them at a time. So I'm gonna actually start by removing the center screw from each one of the hinges where it connects to the door frame, and that's because the new hinges come with a long screw, which I'm gonna use for the center of each one, and the original screws are a little shorty, so we're gonna remove these so we can drill these out with a drill bit. So we got our drill bit. So now we're just going to go ahead and go 1 hinge at a time and just remove the screws. Take them out. Look at this shoddy paint work from the builder. Got paint all over the brand new hinges. Kind of silly. So when you put your hinge on, guys, make sure you don't want this little hole at the top. You want that at the bottom. So flat side up, because that's the hinge pin if you ever need to take the door off. And then you want to put the hinge on the same way the other one came off, and it will really only fit on one way. If you put it on, say you put it on backwards, it won't fit on there correctly. It'll be kind of off. So just put it back on, and then we're going to start by kind of putting the long center screw in. And then we'll get all of our other screws in. Finish swapping everything out, and then we are done with the project. So I hope you guys are enjoying this. My wife really likes the way that the black hinges look with the black handles. This was her request and her choice for the design for the house. And I love it. I think it turned out great. My wife's always got a good eye for that type of stuff. There we go, guys. Oh, it should look something like that. And coming from the inside, you can see it looks really nice. Get to peel their crappy tape work, whatever they did, sitting here still. Okay, that's better. So that looks infinitely better, I think, than these, and it matches with the knob. And I will have a link in the description down below for both the doorknobs, the door hinges, and all the tools that I use to get the project done myself at home. So there we go, guys. We've got it all done. So we've got all our hinges, top to bottom. They're all the proper way, flat head on the top. And it looks really good. So I hope this video helped you guys. Everything works. Doorknobs work good. Got the lock, so you can lock them. And let me know if you guys want to see, I was thinking of maybe doing another video for the deadbolt and main door handle. If you guys want to see me do a swap out on that, let me know. And I've also done a faucet install where we upgraded the old crusty chrome ugly faucet with this nice one with, you know, nice looking drain. If you guys want to see the install video, check that out. But I'm going to go ahead and finish this other knob up. I got to go to the hardware store. I'm actually one short, so I got to go pick that up and then I'll finish this up. And anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Leave me some comments down below. Subscribe if you like this type of content and hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. At least those two are done. It looks so much better to get rid of that ugly chrome.